There is this Bitcoin trade I took, and I want to explain to you guys why I took the trade. Now, yesterday we saw how Bitcoin during the Asian session, reversed right up to around $94,000, right? And after that, we saw how price, failed to, break this golden pocket zone on the 15 minutes time frame. If say you want to learn how to set up this fifth golden pocket zone, make sure you watch my video about the fifth golden pocket zone. And this is how I got this fifth golden pocket zone. I plugged the fifth from the top of yesterday move to the bottom of that move, and it gave me this zone, and this zone usually act as the pivot point or point of control. I told myself that if say I see price reject here multiple times, it means they want to reverse price back to revisit this liquidity around here. Now there was this fair value gap that price left when price was pumping, and I told myself that they might bring price back there around this fair value gap. Because if you look at it carefully, you see that this was the move, this candle, this vector candle was the candle that actually initiated this huge move to the upside. You see it break and close above the alpha trend, and after that price move straight to the upside. So I was looking for price to come back there and waiting for the same reaction. You can see here another vector candle was printed, so this actually gave me that signal that they want to at least reverse price back to the 50-day EMA on the 15 minutes time frame. So I took the trade and I'm out already from the trade. So I said, let me do this video to share with you guys so that you can do the same thing on your chart. Just mark key areas when you see price reversing from that area, and then wait for price to come back there, wait to see how price is going to react around that area, then you take the trade. If this video was helpful to you and you want more of such videos, my friends, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then join my community. The link is found below this video. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.